Hello guys, Scott Grain Magnet Fishing. I'm down here at the river, a different location. We haven't tried this one too many times. I'm down here with Dawson Treasure Hunter. He is digging away with his metal detector today. I'm going to magnet fish. I'll see you guys in a minute when I get everything all hooked up. Oh, let's see. I don't know. Don't get too close to that wall. Oh, look at all the sludge. All kinds of sludge. What? Yuck. Geese will like it. Well, it looks like there's a wire there. Wire. I'll pick that up in a second. I'm just going to drop it there for a second. I'll pick through this. That's nothing but a rock. That's a magnetic. Yeah, that's magnetic. That is not a crappy muck. Well, we got some chunk of metal here with a zebra mussel. Some leaves. I don't want to say seaweed, but you know what I mean. Yeah, not too much. It feels like something heavy here. It's a bit ways out there. Hopefully I don't lose it. But it is heavy. Oh, it's loosening up, so maybe it was just the muck. Could have been just muck. I don't know, still feels pretty heavy. So, hope everybody's doing okay. Please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. I like it. I like hearing from you guys, it's awesome. Oh yeah, we got a piece of rebar or something there on there. That's what that is. Yeah. Oh, somebody's purple worm. Fishing worm. Look at that. It's a purple worm. Well, it's something. Right? Not bad. Oh yeah, nice chunk of steel right there, guys, and some rod right there. It's all coming out. Good stuff. Some rocks. That's not a rock. That, I don't know what it is, but it's not a rock. Huh. Cool. A whole bunch of gobbly-gop or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Oh, kinds of metal. Wow. Nice. Kinds of chunks. Excellent. Excellent. Look at all this stuff coming out. Perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video I put out there. It was the underwater one of my magnets getting stuck, technically. Alright, that's pretty cool stuff there. Alright, see what we got this time. A whole bunch of same as before. Big chunks of steel. Alright. Oh, it's still coming out of the water, right? That's the way we do it. Keep her clean. Well, what do we got this time? Big old ring. Some nails, some chunks of metal. Still coming out of there. Excellent. Look at that ring. That's pretty interesting. Sweet. Yeah. Triangular. Oh, great. Look at all the geese. All the baby geese. Hopefully they hurry up and keep swimming so that they don't get in the way of us magnet fishing here. All different ages. Yeah, all different ages. There you go. They're looking for food. Probably the stuff I'm pulling from the bottom. That's a chunk of metal again. Yep, and some wire. There's a fishing lure down there, or part of a pickerel rig. That's weird. It's a pretty sharp piece of metal. That's weird. Oh, there's some more of that pickerel rig. Huh. Yeah. Huh. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate your guys' watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Hit the like, subscribe. Absolutely. Hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. Plate. What else? Leaves. Big steel plate. Chunks of rock. A washer. A muck. Get all kinds of muck. Nice. Getting her clean. I wouldn't doubt it. It is, yeah. Dawson was saying this would probably be a good spot to dump guns, but we haven't come across one yet. Look at all that chunk of metal right there, eh? Wow. I think they used to work on ships in this area here, because it's cut out for the ships at one time. Alright, we got some leaves and more chunks of metal. That's a big chunk of metal too, but it was more like a rock. Try to get rid of the seaweed stuff or whatever you call it. Lakeweed, I don't know what you call it. A whole bunch of this stuff. They're actually pretty heavy, this stuff. All kinds of chunks. Look at that. That looks like a rock, but I don't know. Probably is. But it sticks pretty good. Huh. A little weird looking worm or something. It's going in the water. A hook right there. Huh. Mud. Yeah. Oh, I got a dime. Woo. A dime. Oh, I got another dime. 2 dimes. All right. Oh, I don't know what that is. I don't know. Maybe I should get your magnet over here. And we both pull it up. Oops, yes, because it's slipping, eh? Alright. She's yelling at the geese. She's feeding the geese, but she's yelling at them at the same time. I don't know what this thing is. It's heavy. Yeah, it's in the mud. My gloves are slippery as hell. Oh yeah. No. Huh? It's still locked. Fudge. Sorry for swearing. I am still on video. Yeah, I don't know, but oop. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh,
Good job.
got it out.
Yeah.
Shit.
I don't know. Oops, probably a piece of a ship. Well, wish we had something to cut it with. Some of the stuff that Dawson pulled up already. Nice heavy tow chain right there. Yeah. Dawson just got another gun. That is a keeper. That's a keeper, Dawson. Awesome, man.
Fuck yeah.
Yep, that one's a keeper. So we're gonna stick around a little bit longer here. Let me take some pictures of that and send it. And you're gonna hand that.
1812 right now, buddy.
Probably.
1812, guys.
I wouldn't doubt it.
I think this is
Wouldn't
from
doubt it.
1812.
We'll get Glenn to clean it up and find out.
Wow.
Feels heavy. Oh yeah. Oh, that's why. We got some big crap here. Oh, we got a full magnet. Holy. Ugh. All kinds of stuff here. Wow, I don't even know what half this stuff would be. Nails, big ring again. That's a big ring. Some nails, some chunks of rock. Ugh. See those? That. Weird. Weird shape. Nails. More nails. Big chunks of steel. More nails. More nails. Or welding rod. Yeah. That's a full magnet. I don't know what's all underneath it, but that's awesome. We're getting it out of there, that's for sure. Let's see if there's any money laying around here. No money, no bullets, no guns. I don't want the muck. And make everything smell. Yeah. So, all that was on my magnet. Plus there's a ton more still on it. Wow. Oh, what's that? I thought it was a bullet, just the color of it. Hey? I think it's a rock. Yeah, probably just a rock. Yeah. Bolts, nuts. Yeah. Alright, well. Clean this mess up. Definitely a bit heavy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're getting a lot of good stuff out of here today. Yeah. Toy guns, which that's what it was. We thought it was real at first, but I cleaned the barrel off enough to see, and it was a toy gun. But hey, it's still a gun. Pew pew. Still fun to get it out of the water. That's for sure. Oh yeah, part of a bucket handle, chunk of metal, and that's it. Sweet.